Hello guys, and welcome back into our channel. Into this tutorial, today we are going to learn how you can earn this amount of money. So $200 per every new subscription sale. We will earn how we can use this kind of websites online on Google, and also combining that with a very simple website that I have never shown to you and have never presented to you, which is going to help you to increase your incomes totally for free online by only doing a little work and paying a little attention to this tutorial. And yeah guys, before we start, if you like this kind of content and if you find it helpful, well, make sure to subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, so when we post new videos you are going to get notified. And also it will help us a lot if you give it any comment onto our videos about your opinion, and also if you smash the like button, it will help us a lot. Now guys, let's jump straight forward to the very first website that we'll be using today. Same as I promised you since the beginning, we are going to use Google, a very simple website which we can all find everywhere and which is the most powerful engine on the world regarding to the websites. So Google is going to help us increase our profits online. What we're going to do in Google, guys, is just thinking about some businesses, different one, about any business that you can think, and also thinking about the location or the places in the world, because this kind of method works worldwide. Well, just think about this kind of business. You can think about barbershops in New York, for example. You can think about shopping clothes in Los Angeles, and so on and so forth. It doesn't matter at all. What we need is just finding this kind of businesses. So for example, I have searched for gyms in Canada, and as you may see guys, here are offered different businesses and different websites regarding to this kind of search that I did. What now you will not want to do, guys, is just not clicking into the very first website that you will see here, which are with ad and so on and so forth. You will not click there, because this kind of website will not need ranking or will not need good reviews into their websites, because they are almost into Google and they are the first that you can see and search for. If you follow this video till the end, you will understand why we will not use this kind of websites. What you will want to do is just going into the very end of this page and going into numbering of the pages. So you will not only go into the very first of it, you will search into second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on and so forth. You will see there different websites offered to you. Why so? Because not all the people or any of the people will go into the second, third, and fourth page, because what they will want to do is just searching and going into the very first website so you will just click onto them, so same as I have done here, and you will scroll a little and see these different websites offered to you which don't have any ad, any ranking star, and so you will just spend a little time into this and find 1, 2, or 3 or more businesses that you will need to promote by using an affiliate marketing strategy that I will share with you almost in a minute. Now guys, for the sake of this video, I have chosen this website over here, which was not one of the very first of them. So what we will want to do here is just leaving this page as you may see here and going to the website that I'm going to present with you right now, which is going to help you make affiliate marketing and earning money by doing so. The name of it is semrush.com, guys, as you may see from the screen. And this website, guys, is a tool that helps people to rank their profile higher online. So as you can see, also this website is SEO, which means search engine optimization. So people come here, pay to this website to get ranking into their profile more, into their business or into their websites. But don't worry, we will not pay anything to this website. What we're going to do is just scrolling a little and going to affiliate marketing promotion. Before we go there, guys, before we start working as affiliates, what we need to do to see it's also trusted leading brands that are offered to this website, which as you may see, it's it's Amazon, Quora, Vodafone, Apple, Tesla, Samsung, Walmart, and so on and so forth. So you can see that this is a very good website to use and to make money by only using it and working with this kind of website. What we will want to do now, guys, is just scrolling to the very end of this page, and you can see here that they are offered different tools to you, but what we need is the affiliate program over here. So you will just click into that and you will be directed into the affiliate program where you're gonna start working. As you may see, and as I showed you since in the beginning, and as I promised you, you are going to earn up to $200 per every new subscription sale. So this is a high amount of money regarded or compared to the other affiliate marketing programs that I have shared with you before. And also you can see that you are going to earn up to $10 per every new trial, and also 1 cent for the new sign up. So it is a lot of money by only doing marketing. Now guys, before we go to the join now part, I want also share with you why this website is one of the best that you can use. Use this website because if we go to the pricing and plans, you are going to see here the pricing part, how they will pay you and the ways. But what is interesting here and what is into our interest is that this is a website which will make sure people or the businesses that it is not a scammed one. Why so? Because it is offering a try for free option for subscribe, and this is something that ensures people that this is not a scammed website which they are going to lose money and other stuffs like this. So if they see this, they will understand that they can totally use this kind of website to get ranks on Google. And also guys, if you go into another platform, which is Trustpilot.com, and search for SEMrush, a thing that I always show you, it's also reviews. As you can see, SEMrush has got excellent reviews, almost 5 stars, which is the best of all. You can see here also the comments. Now guys, that we found that we understood this, what we're going to do is just going into this button over here, clicking into join now, so you will become an affiliate marketing. So after you click into that, this is how it's going to look like. So you, as you can predict, you will fill your name, email, and so I'm not prolonging with them, but what I will want to show it's something that as well I told you in the beginning, which is here you can find here in the country part that this website is worldwide, so it functions in different places of the world. So don't worry about this, because you are going to find or have different options to make your promotion and to get more money by only doing so. Now guys, you found the website, you found the business. What you will need to do is writing an email to them. Well, you will not need to write something like check out this website that I found online, but rather that you are going to write something professional, same as I have done into this text over here. If you want this text ready, well, comment into this video and I'm going to share it with you into the description part below. And you will write to them something like this, guys, which is going to be very professional, and I'm sure that it's going to get their attention. After you have sent to them your email, well, don't worry, because not all of these gems are going to answer to you. If only of them, which I'm sure that is going to happen, answers to you, you are going to earn this amount per money only for that response. And also considering the fact that this website works worldwide, well, the customers there, it's higher. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, to ring the bell, and also to give us a support by giving a like. As always, thank you for watching.